Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Uh, I'm creating this video for our students who are facing problems while submitting the feedback and while trying to log into the system. So, dear students, first of all, I would like to inform you that our Higher Education Department of Government of Jammu and Kashmir has created a three-type feedback system, which is completely anonymous, which is uh, which is centralized, and which is of course online. And this feedback system has been designed and developed under the dynamic leadership of our worthy Principal Secretary to Government Higher Education Department, Shri Rohit Kansal sir. And the basic idea and basic aim of this feedback system is to improve the quality of teaching and learning in our higher education institutions across the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. So first of all, to access this feedback system, you need to go to the website dhe.nic.net.in as you can see here. So once you go there, first of all, you need a username and password. So your username is your registration number, your university registration number, which has been allotted to you by the concerned university, and your password is your roll number, is your class roll number. Okay, so these two things you need to have while accessing the system. So here you will go to student login, and for the sake of demonstration, I have created a demo student uh, whose details I'll be using to demonstrate the features of this portal. Okay, so here, so once you log in, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this while you'll find the name of your college, your own name, okay, your registration number, the program in which you are listed, in which you're enrolled, okay, and you'll also find these two links. Okay, so the first link is about the college feedback. Now this feedback is to be submitted by the students, okay, about the institution where they are enrolled in, about the college. And the second feedback is about the classes in which they are enrolled in. So for example, this student is a student of, for example, Government Degree College Baramulla, and he's enrolled in one class of data structures. And first of all, the student is required to submit the college feedback. So we'll go to this link. Now as you can see, this is essentially a questionnaire uh, where we have questions about the ICT implementation, about the infrastructure, about the initiatives the college has taken, about the staff, and some other questions. Okay, so each question is required to be answered on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 means never and 5 means always. We also have an option of not sure. If a student is not sure about the questions, he can say, I'm not sure about it. So for example, we have a question that college has a very good website which is regularly updated. Now if you agree with this information, if the student agrees with this information, he can say 5, yes, we have a website, it's working, it's updated every day. Okay, uh, and if it doesn't agree, he can say no, we don't have a website, so he can mark it as 1. So now each question is to be answered, okay, in a similar way. And here we have an important question, which is about the overall ranking. How do you rank the college during the period under reference? Okay, so here you have these 5 options: outstanding, very good, good, average. Okay, so also we have these 2 questions, which are what are the 3 things you like best about your college, and what are the 3 areas why you think the college needs to improve. Okay, so the student will submit the feedback about the college first. Okay, so once that is done, okay, so each question is to be answered. Okay, each question is mandatory to be answered, you cannot skip any of these questions. Okay, so then the student will go back to the dashboard where he or she will be able to submit the feedback about the classes in which they are enrolled in. So, okay, so basically this is the feedback about the teachers. So you will go to this link, uh, teacher feedback, and here again we have a questionnaire. Okay, where we have questions about the teacher's attitude, his laboratory interaction, his punctuality, his subject knowledge, his teaching methodology, and his overall rating. Okay, again here we have a question about the overall ranking. How would you rank your teacher under the period of reference? Outstanding, very good, good, average, needs improvement. Okay, so As I said earlier, this feedback is a completely anonymous feedback, so you can give us your honest opinion. Okay, so again, each question is to be answered on a scale of 1 to 5. Okay, where 1 is never and 5 is always. Okay, so so this feedback is to be submitted for each of the classes in which the student is enrolled. Okay, so also on this dashboard you will find mm, okay, you'll find the profile option where you can change the password and other things. Okay, and and the last date of submission of the feedback is 30th of August. So we expect and we expect our students to submit feedback, more and more feedback, okay, from our students as well as from our faculty members, so that the more data we have, the more insights we can generate from our data. So I hope this video will be helpful for our students. uh, Again, the most important thing that you need is your username and your password. Your username is your registration number, and your password is your class roll number. So in case you have any more questions, you can text me. I'll be happy to reply. Thank you very much.